Did you ever wish you could see the science behind the glass technology? Well, this month, DWM is ready to grant your wish. I'm Tara Taffera.
And I'm Trey Barano. We also have some major changes to a long-standing industry trade show to tell you about.
First, to that wish granting. U.S. Glass editor Ellen Rogers visited Guardian Industries' recently expanded Science and Technology Center. This is their hub of innovation and product development. Ellen saw their new full-size vacuum coater, mock-up and demonstration walls, and the expanded laboratory space. Let's take a closer look.
Here we are in Carlton, Michigan at Guardian Industries Science and Technology Center, which recently underwent a major expansion. We spoke today to Chris Dolan and Sheldon Davis about ways the center is focusing on product innovation. Let's take a look.
The idea of a center like this is to help us connect our customer needs to our technical staff and then execute to really create the products.
It provides a place for our sales and marketing team to have a direct connection to the research and development. We also use it for customer visits and meetings to do demonstrations.
So we added a 27,000 square feet to our Science and Technology Center earlier this year. The primary thing it houses is a brand new large-scale vacuum coater. The point of this coater is to help us accelerate our development and accelerate the types of products that we can develop. We actually designed the whole building to be a test bed. The walls on the inside and out are designed to take new technology, designed to show off our product and really allow our staff to explore their ideas in reality.
Very interesting. Company representatives also talked about what's involved in new product development and how they decide what products to develop. They really draw from a lot of sources, like talking to customers and requests from architects. Ellen asked them to expand on that, and here's some of what they said.
That's a really difficult question because there was a lot of requests, as you said, and there are many things we could work on, so we have to select them somehow. But that involves a lot of risk because we don't know what's going to be great. We don't know what are great ideas. We don't even know what might frankly sell. We really ask ourselves some very fundamental questions across a wide range of trends. Does it really help the society? Does it really help our customers? Does it really help the value chain? And really investigate that and then try to see if it makes a big enough difference.
I think related to that, we look at new ideas from a lens of, is this something that's an incremental improvement? Is this a new platform? Is it a game-changing type improvement? And we're comfortable to have projects that fit into each of those categories. So even if something is incrementally valuable, but maybe it doesn't have game-changing potential, it still could be a good product for us, and we look at it in that lens.
Location is also key. One of their float manufacturing plants is directly across the street from the center. That's been a huge benefit for creating both synergies and opportunities.
Well, for me as an R&D guy, it's really important. The end product of what we do, it goes into these facilities, and so it's important to stay connected to that. We have to make sure that we're connected to them so that we make it as easy as possible to produce the high quality products that we want.
And I think it goes both ways. I think the team that's here is available to support if needed at the plant on any specific development, and there's been some movement back and forth.
Trey, you wrote a feature article for our upcoming August-September issue on glass technology, and I know you talked to some of the major players. What did you take away from those interviews?
Well, I learned that there are many exciting technologies that are on the verge of the mainstream for the residential market. Things like photovoltaics and smart glass. I also learned the glass industry is facing some big strains on production. That's because demand is up, but there are fewer float glass plants online than there were a few years ago.
Well, that issue will be in the mail soon, or you can pick it up at the upcoming Glass Build show in Atlanta.
Speaking of trade shows, I'm excited to head to Windor in November. It'll be my first time at that show, but it looks like it may be a different event than past years.
That's right, Trey. The show committee has some major upgrades in the works, including new hours, more speakers, and an area to showcase hot new products. Check out all the changes at windorshow.com.
As the official publication of the Windor Show, we are excited to see what's in store. If you are exhibiting, make sure you send us the products you'll be showcasing so we can get that in the official show program.
That wraps up our newscast for today. We will see you next month from Atlanta. I'm Tara Taffera.
And I'm Trey Barano. Thanks for watching, and for all the news, remember to go to dwmmag.com.